KUPO's new click stands are like no other light stands on the market. These click stands can be nestled together and attached for easy transport. Carry them stacked or carry them flat. Whatever your configuration may be, it is guaranteed to save you time when you're on the go. Featuring a quick release clamp design on the center column, which offers a fast and easy setup, and bicolor injection knobs, which offer positive locking and an ergonomic grip. Our click stands are equipped with a 5/8 top stud with a 3/8 16th thread, which converts to a 1/4 20 thread. These stands also feature double leg struts for added stability and strength when supporting heavy loads. The air cushioning feature provides a smooth closure when retracting your stand with heavy equipment. Click stands can stand on their own when folded, and by utilizing the 4-way interlocking design, there are endless options to keeping your kits organized. An optional shoulder strap can be attached in the plastic locking loops to easily carry a set of click stands over your shoulder. To connect your stands, line up the folded stands, close them together until you hear a click, and then you're in business. To disconnect, press down on the blue button on the top of the center column and pull apart your stands. KUPO's click stands are unlike anything else out there. Durable, agile, and ergonomic. These stands are guaranteed to speed up setup, breakdown, and transport significantly.